is standing by tonight in Houston, Texas, and she has all the details. Christine.
Sean, yeah, a lot of people talking about this. The intent now is not to degrade the children, but when you have a large group of people in one spot, there is the possibility that diseases can spread. And bottom line, according to some Border Patrol agents, things are so hectic, they do not know what is getting through in terms of disease.
All right, Christine, thank you. And there is one disease that could have deadly consequences here in the U.S. Our good friend from Fox News Radio, Todd Starnes, he's joining us from Dallas, Texas tonight with an exclusive report about a potential breakout of tuberculosis. Todd.
Yeah, that's right, Sean. Good evening. My sources inside a camp for illegals at Lackland Air Force Base say it's one giant emergency room. They tell me tuberculosis has become a very dangerous issue there. Now, nurses say the number of children presenting with symptoms of tuberculosis is simply staggering. Spitting up blood, chest pains, constant coughing, just some of the symptoms. There are at least 3 confirmed cases at a facility for illegals in Austin, Texas. Now, we've also learned that nurses and other healthcare workers are telling us that the federal government is covering up the extent of the health crisis. They say kids have scabies. They also say they have chickenpox and an all-out epidemic of lice so severe, they say the bugs can be seen crawling down the faces of the children. Now, BCFS is the organization hired by Health and Human Services to run the Lackland facility, the camp there. And they say no one is infected with TB at their facilities, and there are no major health issues there either. But my sources, and I have more than a half dozen, Sean, are standing by their statements. It's impossible to know the full extent of communicable disease threat there because the feds refuse to allow random inspections of their facilities by the media. And as I report exclusively in my FoxNews.com column, healthcare workers have been told they could be arrested if they talk about what's really happening at that camp, Sean.
All right, Todd Starnes in Dallas tonight, joining me now at the Hannity Big Board with some startling news.